This is a final video to fix your Nollie controller showing connected but fans RGB not working in SignalRGB. Are you seeing your controller detected but the lights on your fan stay dark? This happens because SignalRGB sometimes fails to link the controller properly with individual fan headers, leaving the RGB signals inactive. Most solutions on YouTube or forums are long, confusing, and full of steps that don't even work. But today on Rexish, I'll show you a simple trick that gets your fans lighting up instantly. All you need to do is reset the controller within SignalRGB, force it to redetect each fan header, and apply a fresh RGB profile. No complicated software edits or hidden files needed. If you want a full step-by-step walkthrough so you never face this issue again, drop a comment below and I'll make a detailed tutorial just for you.